Alright, so we got the trouser snake. Syphilis. Don't know what the fuck that is. Come now, fizzles. And that. Quite the collection. And they are all going down there.
Please hit a douchebag. I'm gonna have to do an underarm.
Dude, wait.
Yeah.
I want a proper view of this. Okay, go.
Did it make it?
Yes, look.
Did it?
Look.
Did it?
Look, he nearly hit that cunt in the head. He went back for it.
Dude. Yes. Oh, what the hell? Dude, look what's in it, you dick. Yes.
Ready? Oh.
What the fuck? What the fuck are they doing? You've got to be the biggest retard.
They're folded outside in, like the pictures.
Yes, come on. Oh. He got nervous because the chick came. Yeah, she's picking it up. Oh, she's fucking throwing at the dog. Dude, look at it. Wait, please read it. Oh, what a douche.
Let them see us.
They're gonna be forced into it again. They're the same two from before that were throwing the plane.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Are they looking up?
Yes. That looks like the one I sucked.
Come out. Now they're all towing.
Yeah, they didn't read the message.
Why
Check
didn't they
the
go and tell the
planes.
guys?
Dude, are they about to get laid because of our pictures?
Oh,
Dude.
yeah.
Dude.
Tell them about the fucking pictures. Would you not tell people?
Yeah, I know. Dude, what the hell? That was us that did that?
Oh my god, Carl.
What have we done? What the fuck?